Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Perpetual here. If you're new, you're warmly welcome, and thank you so much for joining me today as we make some delicious Abele Walls. Come along and let's get started. First up, we're just going in with a few cups of milk into our pot, and we're going to allow it to simmer for a few minutes. The next ingredient to go in is about a teaspoon or two of corn flour, depending on how thick you'd like your mixture, but we're just using about a teaspoon today. And today my husband is the one making this. He says he makes the best. I would love for you guys to try it so that you can come back and let me know what you think about his recipe. And next up is our condensed milk to sweeten it up a bit, and because the condensed milk is so sweet, we're not going to be adding any additional sugar. And for some extra flavor, about a teaspoon of vanilla is being added at this point as well. And we're just going to whisk it all together and allow it to come to a simmer. You do not want it to boil. You just want it to come to a little bit of a simmer. And while it continues to simmer, we're going to make another mixture on the side, and that just includes about a cup of milk and roughly a cup of Nido that we're using today, but you can use any form of powdered milk that you have on hand. So we're just going to make sure that we mix it all up together, and we want to make sure that it really mixes well and there are no lumps. And my loves, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button right away, and also turn on your notification so that you know when I upload more amazing videos. And if you're already subscribed, I'd just like to say a very big thank you. And next up, we're just going to add the mix that we made of the milk and Nido into the pot, slowly just allowing it to all mix and incorporate really well. Now, this is definitely one of those recipes that bring back amazing childhood memories. I'd love to hear your stories about how much you enjoyed this as part of your childhood. Let me know in the comment section. And for today, I am using just disposable shot glasses that I buy just at the supermarket. If you have popsicle molds, you can use that as well, or any small cups that you have on hand will work perfectly for this recipe. And for the last batch of our milk mixture here, we just added a little bit of pink food coloring to make it a little bit more exciting for Nanekia. And speaking of which, she's helping out by putting our lollipop sticks into our cup. You can use any popsicle sticks or any wooden sticks that you have to make this. And then that's it. It goes into the freezer for about 12 hours. Ideally overnight is perfect. And Nanekia is the one arranging it, and just like mom, she likes things really well organized. So she's putting all the pink on one side and all the regular ones on another side. And clearly we were very excited. We couldn't even wait for it to freeze completely. So it is not as frozen as I would like it, but hey, the kids are going to enjoy it. I just dip it in a little bit of water to allow it to loosen up, and that is it.
Thank you for watching. Aunties and uncles, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Thank you for watching.